Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and I hope you guys are having a great day. Here are the shoutouts for today's video. Be sure to comment down below if you would like to be part of the next video. Now let's get on to the video and I hope you enjoy. Kim Tae-hye and nothing for Team Hibernation.
Guys, we have to fight back.
Soulmate, please come back to the winning team. This isn't you.
He's already on the winning team, thank you very much.
I would like to propose something.
What?
Even though I ended the tiger and bear debate, it's still ongoing and we never do the same for the rest of you. How about we start a new debate? Alright. Okay. I see you trying to do damage control for that other team. I'm not. We're never ending the tiger and bear debate until Team Bear gives in. I think you mean until Team Tiger gives in. He's not on Team Bear, let it go, guys.
Namjoon is not a koala but a golden retriever.
What?
Do you prefer retriever June, June-triever, or golden June?
Namjoon? A golden retriever? That's ridiculous. I see it, Jimin.
I agree.
Yeah.
I prefer koala June.
Yeah.
Jungkook is not a bunny but a Maltese. Absolutely not.
Jungkook started out as a bunny and will continue to be a bunny until the end of time, so don't you ever call him a Maltese again out of all the animals, and I mean all the animals you could have chosen. Why the hell would you choose a Maltese especially for Jungkook? I'm offended, I'm calling the police, I'm telling armies on you, just you wait until Dean Winchester hears about this. What he said.
It was just a suggestion.
Jisoo is a panther. A cat. A tiger. And now a panther? That's too many cats.
Why am I a panther?
Because you are.
No, I'm a turtle. Miss Turtle Rabbit Kim. I would also say bunny but that's already taken. Anyways, I'm a cheetah. You guys are picking too many cats.
And nothing for Team Hush. I'm still pushing for the June-triever agenda. Please don't.
We will.
So we all agree that the golden retriever is the new debate? No. Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yes. No. Yes. Yes.
Then it's settled. I still prefer koalas.
Not anymore.
Jimin has been showing me pictures of golden retrievers for the last 15 minutes. Are you convinced? No. Come on. Namjoon is not a dog. And he's not a koala. Your point? And Taehyung is not a tiger. Yes he is. Exactly. Team Koala fight back. That's cute. I actually see it. No Namjoon. This isn't you. And nothing for Team Koala. That feels weird to say, but Team Tree lovers better get used to it. Clearly you don't know Namjoon. I'll accept both. Where is BLACKPINK? I'm surprised they haven't said anything. Obviously they're busy.
Are you guys watching something? I'm looking at TikToks. Same. I'm playing Mario. I keep hearing strange noises. Then stop. I haven't heard anything. What are you hearing? I don't know how to describe it. Love would have heard whatever you're hearing by now, but he hasn't. So there's nothing to worry about. Does Kai hear anything? No. Hank hasn't heard anything either. I'll let it go then. Everyone please come to the living room and bring your pets. Why? I heard that noise again. Alright. I think you're paranoid. I keep hearing this strange noise and now I'm getting scared. Kai heard it as well. What did you hear? I don't know how to describe it. Imitate it. No stress. That was the noise. Why did that come from the basement? I have no idea.
Lisa's cats run out of the living room. Hank, followed by Dalgam. Kai and Love start barking at the basement door.
I don't think this is a good sign.
Dalgam, Kai, and Love run out of the living room. Then Rose leaves the living room and comes back with a shoe and a spoon.
Open the door. Why do you have a spoon? To defend myself, what else? Now open the door. Why not choose a knife? Because that's dangerous.
Rose opens the door and goes into the basement.
Rosie, come back. Guys, there's nothing down here.
Rose sees a pair of eyes staring back at her, which sends a chill down her spine.